Got an interesting day ahead. Was looking at some old topo maps the other night and found a mine out here that apparently has a tram. So that definitely piqued my interest. So hopefully we find something out there. We gotta get all the way to the base of the mountain there. Made it to the end of the biking route, so we hide my bike somewhere over here and off trail for the rest of the day. My favorite parts. I like the green grass. Doesn't last very long though. Looks like it's already starting to turn a little brown. Always find some weird stuff out here. Who knows what this was for? Some kind of mining equipment. Some sort of old water tank. That's interesting. Whew, dense out here, man. But there's also supposed to be a spring out here somewhere, so I'm gonna try to find that as well. And this sycamore here kind of gives it away. Let's see if it's up there. Could use a drink. Whew, it's a pissed off rattler. He's getting some water out of the spring here, which I actually did find. And he is in full strike mode. I'm gonna back away from him. That's why I got these on. Oh, this is pure awful. It's all poison oak. There's no other way to get there though. Oh man. It's probably the most I've ever gone through. Already at the base of the mine, and lo and behold, there is a tramway here. So I'm gonna try to climb up this. The mine's at the top of the hill there. Pretty crazy. This still seems pretty solid. It'll hold my weight climbing up it. Backpack barely fits under. Oh wow. Just a little dangerous. On like 100-year-old metal, that's rusty. Dang, it's gonna be a good slide on the way back down. That's for sure. Uh-oh, some boards in my way, looking high. Woo, we made it to the second section of tramway. This one has gone unbolted and is sideways, but it goes way up the hill. Oh man, so I'm holding myself up here just by keeping my back up against the top. Otherwise I would slip right down this thing. It's so steep. It's nuts. Gotta slowly make my way up. Oh man. Yeah, don't really want to go down that. And it just keeps going. Endless. So finished climbing out of the tube. See it right there. It looks like they removed a lot of this up here. You can see where it was. It's like a big slot. So just continue hiking up the slot here. Made it up higher. More pieces of the tramway. Just taking a break in this one. This one's flat enough. Oh man, it's a long way up. Made it to a little tiny adit here. I believe this mine was mostly a surface dwelling mine, so may not find any shafts today, but continue to look around and see. Beautiful up here though, good view. No luck finding any underground adits, but you can tell this area was mined. I'm on a huge tailing here. Drops all the way down the hill. Pretty interesting area, that's for sure. Chilling with my vulture friend out here. Probably about to take off. There he goes. Oh, still making my way up to the next mines. But this Chute cypress is massive. I had to climb over to it. That's definitely the biggest one I've ever seen. Oh man, made it to the top of the hill. No mine adits out here, so I'm gonna head back down. I gotta go all the way back across this hill. Oh man. Alrighty, grand finale. Time to slide down the ore chute. This is gonna be sketchy. The world's longest super slide. Here we go. Woo! Oh man! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Oh! Whew! The bottom hard. Dang! Whew! I made it alive. Made it back out to the trusty steed. Thank goodness. Well, that was super exciting. Never slid down an ore chute before, so always something new. Alrighty, till next time.